Let's look at our consonant blend FL. A consonant blend is 2 or 3 consonants that each say their own sound, and we blend them together in the word. So let's say the sound of F. Ready? One more time. And let's say the sound of L. 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 And let's tap and stretch them together. Fl. Again. Fl. Stretch them together. Are you ready? Fl. Good. Now we're going to try to make some words. Are you ready? Let's tap and stretch the new word. Flab. Good. Tap and stretch your sounds together. Flab. Say it fast. Flab. Say it fast. Flab. Yeah, flab. Flab is like a flabby belly, right? Let's tap and stretch our new word. Flap. Tap and stretch it again. Flap. Say it fast. Flap. Say it fast. Flap. Yes, flap, like flap your wings. That would be a good one for that. Oh. Let's tap and stretch our new word. Flag. Did that sound like a word? Let's tap and stretch it again. Ready? Flag. Say it fast. Flag. Say it fast. Flag. You were right. That's the word flag. Good reading. Let's see what happens when we change that sound out. We made a new word. Let's tap and stretch to find out what word we made. Ready? Flat. Tap and stretch. Flat. Good. Now say it fast. Flat. Say it fast again. Flat. Yes, you just read the word flat. Good work. Let's find out what this new word is. We'll tap and stretch the sounds together. Flip. Tap and stretch again. Flip. Good. Now say it fast. Flip. Say it fast again. Flip. Flip. Like you flip off the diving board. That would be fun. Okay, we have one word left. Are you ready? Tap and stretch out the sounds with me. Flop. Good. Do it again. Flop. Say it fast. Flop. Say it fast. Flop. Flop. Oh, flop. I know what that means, right? Okay, are you ready? FL. Good job on today's consonant blend.